Let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Now right over there at the bottom, the left side one, that's the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle right on top of the Toyota emblem there. Put one finger right in there and then pull it up. And at the same time lift up the hood. Now that's the secondary latch. See how it works? You put one finger and that's how it unlatches. So lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. To grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then pull it back a little bit to secure it. Let's start with the passenger side low beam bulb. That's the light. The way to access the bulb is right over there behind it, the bulb with the green label on it. Just push it from the bottom of the electrical connector, twist to the left that way, and now it's loose. Just get the entire assembly out. The bulb and the electrical connector are together for now. Now just press down right over there on the electrical connector and pull the bulb out. This way you have more space to hold on to the bulb holder with one hand and the bulb with another hand, and it's easier to get it out. The bulb number is H11. That's what you need to get. H11. Get the new bulb, get the electrical connector on it, and click it on. That is good. Now let's put it back in. This time around I'm going to give you a view from top down. This is the opposite of the camera angle when we were taking it out. Just get the bulb holder in there. Note the position of the bulb as I'm putting it in. Once it's sitting in flush like this, nothing sticking out, then just twist it right to lock it in place and you're done. Now moving on to the high beam light, that's the bulb there, and the way to access it is right over there. This electrical connector tends to be pretty easy to get off, so if you want you can just get it out like this and then get the bulb out separately. So grab the bulb, twist it left, and out it comes. Note those three wings, those three things just sticking out. See how they are behind the metal? It's gonna come handy when we put the bulb back in. Just get the bulb out for now. The bulb size is 9005, says it right there on it, 9005. That's what you need to get. Go ahead, get the new bulb and put it back in the light housing. And see how those three wings on the bulb, they have to go behind the metal part there. Once all three of them are behind, the bulb is aligned, and then twist your right to lock it in place. Now get the electrical connector and slide it on the bulb and click it, and we are done. Moving on to the driver's side, we are first going to do the high beam light. That's the bulb. The way to access it is behind over there. See, in this case the electrical connector is stuck on there tight, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the electrical connector and the bulb out together, then press down right over there and get the bulb out separately. Same bulb as the passenger side, 9005 for the high beam light. Click it back in, put it back into the light housing. Make sure all the three wings on the bulb, they go behind the metal part there. 1, 2 and 3, they're all in. This is looking good. Now we can twist it right to lock it in place, and that's good. Let's just take a closer look at it. Everything is looking good here. Moving on to the low beam light, finally. That is the bulb over there with the green label. Just grab it and twist it left from the bottom of the electrical connector, and out it comes. Same thing as the passenger side, no differences whatsoever. Just press down on the electrical connector right there and pull the bulb out with the other hand, and out it comes. Sometimes it may be stuck on there, so it takes a few seconds, so be patient. Same bulb, H11, same as the passenger side. Get the bulb back in, and let's put this back into the light housing. Make sure it's sitting in flush, and that's good. Now twist your right to lock it, and that is pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Now push on the hood to take some pressure off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it, and now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.